Learn more about YouTube and its services. YouTube is a widely used platform. Whether you're looking for a music video, knowledge video or anything, this is all in one platform. It's amazing to know that YouTube is not limited to watching the content, but you can also create your own channel and can share your curated content. Did you know? You can also make money from YouTube. YouTube is the only platform where you can make money if your shared video is liked by a suitable number of users and have a definite number of subscribers to your channel. Let's discuss how to set up your channel and manage it to get more subscribers. YouTube channel setup. From managing a YouTube channel to the video shooting and editing to the account creation, there is so much to set up new YouTube channels and optimize it to get the highest views possible. YouTube background design. A low-quality background can devalue your content, which can also lead to lower engagement and fewer subscribers for your channel. Do the branding of your channel with logo and cover photos. YouTube uploads. Upload the curated content video timely. Optimizing your views during the right time upload can help you generate more traffic to your content and help the growth of your channel. Increasing YouTube likes. Create more content and upload timely on channel to engage the audience. YouTube likes, comments, and shares are essential engagement metrics from both the audiences and the YouTube search algorithm's point of view. Optimization of video tags. It's really important to optimize the tags of your YouTube videos. Tags are used to define the kind of video or topic of the video. If you don't optimize your tags on videos, it means that you are losing out on all the viewers who are not coming to your videos just because you don't have the appropriate tags. YouTube SEO. With YouTube SEO, you can optimize YouTube videos and channels to tell the YouTube algorithm what your video is about, to rank it for relevant keywords, and to recommend it to users who would enjoy the content. Cross-channel promotion. Promote your YouTube channel and content through cross-channel promotion. Other people in your niche will promote your channel on their channel. This approach is very effective in getting new viewers. How to monetize or make money from YouTube videos. Follow YouTube's content guidelines. Enable the monetization status on your account. First, go to YouTube Studio. Second, in the left menu, select Content. Third, select a video. Fourth, in the left menu, select Turn. Fifth, choose the type of ads that you want to run. Sixth, click Save. Grow towards 1,000 subscribes and 4,000 watch hours. Hope this will help achieve your goal. Benefits of YouTube marketing. It helps in increasing your brand visibility and awareness. Enhances the number of conversions. Improving sales and leads. Driving more traffic to the website.